Right now, we're seeing a climate sentiment score at a stagnant 0, paired with a momentum drop of minus 0.44. This isn't just a random fluctuation, this reflects a significant shift in discourse compared to our historical baseline. When sentiment stagnates while momentum declines, it indicates a growing disconnection between awareness and action. With our API, you get access to nuanced sentiment analysis, including 20 semantic clusters that help you understand public perception on climate issues in real time. Imagine you're developing a dashboard for NGOs or policymakers. This data can help them identify critical moments to engage the public or adjust their strategies effectively. Want to dive deeper? Check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.